Get cooking in no time with our Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven accessories. Before cooking, ensure the crumb tray is installed correctly by placing it under the heating elements. Next, insert your cooking rack. Always remember to use an oven mitt or a towel while removing or inserting hot items. Your rack will remain in the lower railing for all cooking functions. The top railing is for the air fry basket only. Do not place any additional accessory on the top railing. For the toast function, place the bread directly on the wire rack. All baking accessories should be placed directly on the wire rack. When using the air crisp function for foods you don't expect to drip, simply slide the air fry basket into the top rail. For foods that might drip, place the air fry basket into a pan and then slide both into the Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven. When the pan is inserted, it will slide out when you pull the air crisp basket. This helps prevent additional mess on the counter. For more even results, we recommend rotating your basket midway through the cooking cycle. It's that easy. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.